back, everyone. We got the old Hammer 1275 fixed up. Just taking her on her maiden voyage, getting it nice and warm, and then I really want to lean into it and just see how everything performs. If it's going to break, I want it to break now and not later. So let's see what happens. Running great so far. Can't say if there's more power or not per se, but everything feels about like it should be. Very curious what it's going to do on the top end for me. Felt pretty good. Felt pretty good. Just can't get going fast enough here. That's the only problem. Got a little bit of grease on my brakes. Oh, they're feeling better now. Didn't take much. Just do a little. Engine still sounds good. No pinging yet. It's pretty chilly today though, so I don't know if it will ping. Don't trust these tires yet. Got a little bit of crap on them. We'll just take it easy. No reason to lay her down, brother. God, this thing just sounds amazing. I was riding that Dyna, my buddy's Dyna. Awesome bike, but this thing's just nasty little Sportster motor, man. The 1200 just hits different. It's a relatively little motor, winding right out. God, it's just so, oh wow. That was weird pavement. So powerful. Just so powerful. They paved that finally. RPM. Just gets up on that cam. Pull over and just check things out. I think we're going to do that right now. We'll order some food. Like I said, I wanted to beat on it. If I'm going to break it, I want to freaking break it now and not when I'm out doing something important. You what?
I just don't know what everybody wants to do.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Dude, look, check this shit out. Look how lean the far this thing is. Yeah.
That kickstand, dude. That was what I hated about mine.
Oh, it just drags the kickstand. Yeah. I was like going solid 70 in a sharp left-hand turn. My kickstand fell off. The little thing broke, and I ran it over, and the whole ass end of the bike was like, whoosh, and I was like, whoa! Like I had no idea what it was at the time, so I ride another 100 miles. I get home. Oh my! Like what the? What's missing? And then I put it all together. You know, I was like, holy shit.